I'm Luca Carrichi. I'm a professor of volcanology and petrology at the University of Geneva, the Department of Earth Science, and I was the chair of the organizing committee. For my career, it was a satisfaction, I think. Of course, you get some exposure to colleagues that perhaps didn't know me, and then they will know some more. But I think for us as an institution, as a department, it's really important because people came, they saw what we are doing in Geneva, they visited our labs, and they realized the fire potential we have in the department. In terms of studying volcanology, we are many. There is a large group with many students, so this is very important for us. Contact the Geneva Convention Bureau, first thing. And no, I think Geneva actually, you realize very rapidly there is a lot of support also from the state Geneva, from the university there was a lot of support. It's a city that I think is designed to host international meetings. The public transport free for everyone was a great plus. So I would suggest, if I was asked to do it again, I wouldn't do it. I think I did my part. But if I would go back in time and they would ask me, would you do it again? The answer would be yes. So. When we sent the bid, we presented in the last scientific assembly that took place in New Zealand, in Rotorua. When we presented, the Secretary General said, "We never received something so professional." So I think you should be proud. Everything was working fine, everything was really smooth in the organization, and I have to say the organization was facilitated by the bid we prepared with you, because a lot of things were already structured, but then support contribution was fundamental and everything ran smoothly. They were very professional, so we are very happy.